Authentic tacos de lengua. A delicious Mexican main course recipe. This recipe serves 6 servings. Preparation takes about 20 minutes. And cooking takes around 3 hours 30 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 3 pounds beef tongue, 1 large white onion, 1 head garlic, 3 pieces bay leaves, 10 pieces black peppercorns, 2 tablespoons kosher salt, 8 to 10 cups water, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, to taste salt and pepper, 24 small corn tortillas. Step 1. Rinse the beef tongue thoroughly under cold running water. Place it in a large heavy-bottomed stockpot or Dutch oven. Step 2. Add the halved onion, the head of garlic, bay leaves, peppercorns, and salt to the pot. Pour in enough water to cover the tongue by at least 2 inches. Step 3. Bring the liquid to a rolling boil over high heat. Once boiling, use a spoon to skim off any grey foam that rises to the surface. Step 4. Reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and simmer gently for 3 to 3.5 hours. The tongue is ready when a knife slides into the thickest part with zero resistance. Step 5. Carefully remove the tongue from the liquid and place it on a cutting board. Let it cool for only 10 minutes. It must still be warm to peel easily. Step 6. Using your fingers or a paring knife, peel away the thick, rough outer skin of the tongue and discard it. Also trim away any excess fatty gristle at the base. Step 7. Dice the cleaned meat into small 1/2-inch cubes. This size ensures maximum surface area for the upcoming sear. Step 8. Heat the vegetable oil or lard in a large cast iron skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Step 9. Add the diced meat to the skillet in a single layer. Sear for 3 to 5 minutes, tossing occasionally, until the edges are crispy and golden brown. Step 10. While the meat sears, warm your corn tortillas on a hot griddle, comal, until soft and slightly charred. Keep them wrapped in a clean kitchen towel. Step 11. Season the seared meat with a final pinch of salt and a splash of the reserved cooking liquid to keep it moist. Step 12. Assemble the tacos by placing a generous spoonful of meat onto 2 stacked tortillas. The double wrap prevents breaking. Step 13. Top immediately with the diced onion, chopped cilantro, and a drizzle of salsa verde. Step 14. Serve hot with lime wedges on the side for squeezing and radish slices for a refreshing crunch. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.